In your relationship, do you spend more time recovering and repairing from fights and arguments rather than spending time planning and building and enjoying yourselves? Fighting and arguments, they're no good. I know a lot of people, want to teach you how to argue properly. I just don't buy that. If you're arguing, like speaking over each other, raising your voice, name calling, being critical, you're not listening. And the minute you start to argue, you're not listening. And every time you argue, you are chipping away at your relationship. That's why in my book, Hold On to Your Nuts, I talk about don't argue. Because when you lose, you lose. And when you win, you lose. There is just no purpose. What you need to do is figure out how to talk with each other, how to love each other, how to listen to each other. Arguing and fighting is terrible. I mean, I've just heard so many stories from my clients about knockdown, drag-out fights, fights that can get physical, which is really dangerous for you because if anyone gets hurt, you're going to jail. And it's happened. And you don't want to put yourself in that position. So take a step back, take a breather, figure out what you really want to do in your relationship. But I assure you that arguing and fighting will not work long term. You'll not have the relationship you want, and neither of you will be happy.